Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So, today I'll be talking about three things that I'm doing to regrow my hair and how it's been working. So, I had a video last year about how my hair was just not doing what I wanted it to do. So, my hair was a lot denser years back. So yeah, when I was having kids, my hair was a lot denser. But I noticed after a while that it started thinning in the middle, and yeah, it's just yeah, your hair is your crown, like everybody says, and you don't want to lose your hair. It's the cheapest accessory yet, so I definitely didn't want to see my hair keep going. I just wanted to have get my hair back, and I started just pay more attention to it. So there's a lot of tips on here on YouTube by a lot of people that have been able to grow their hair long. So I did start my journey in 2010, and then I cut my hair again. I cut the whole thing off and it was just almost bald again in 2018. So I started growing it back and it's been growing, but then the thinning happened and I just wanted to start showing it more love, and I started incorporating more natural pure oils like I always promote here on my channel. I talk about black cumin seed oil and how it helps with inflammation. So I did lose hair in my crown area, and there's you might not notice because I'm covering it up a little bit. But then I started using black seed oil, and I've noticed a big difference. So I use pumpkin seed oil. These are tested and shown to aid in hair growth. Rosemary essential oil, if you don't want to go the chemical route by using things like Rogaine, minoxidil, and stuff like that, you want to just try natural options, then I'll definitely suggest these oils for you because black seed oil is an anti inflammatory, and some of the problems that cause issues like CCCA or scarring alopecia or non-scarring alopecia, things that cause it, they are mostly related to inflammation on the scalp. So you want to use products that naturally fight inflammation, and these include extra virgin pumpkin seed oil, which is a very known DHT blocker. It works great for the scalp and it's not non-comedogenic, so it wouldn't clog your pores. So what I've been doing, I use that in combination with black seed oil and rosemary essential oil, and I always apply that on my scalp. And I've noticed my hair growing out thicker. So I would definitely keep you posted on how my hair is doing. I did say that I wanted to keep growing it all the way out. Like I want it to be very, very long. I'm ready to give it all the love that it needs. And I wish you the best if you're also wanting to regrow your hair and wanting to pay more attention to it. It is our God given hair, and God actually pays attention to our hair. There's this scripture in the Bible that says He knows every single strand of your scalp and He knows when they fall off and things like that. So that gives me hope that God is going to restore my crown, and He loves my hair. So this is how my hair grows, and I am really appreciative of it more, especially now that I'm trying to focus on regrowing it and just give it all the love that it needs. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I wish you luck in your journey. Stay blessed. Bye.